what it is. What's up? It's over for lace fronts. It's over. I'm sorry. Pack your bags and go, Miss Man. We are done with you. Hello, darlings. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe because I already know you're gonna like this video. You know why? Because you don't have to glue down your lace. That's why. This video is all about this wig, this FS wig that I'm wearing that is gorgeous and beautifully curled. We got cut. We love that. I don't know about y'all, but I am on the fence about wigs. Like at this point, I love looking at people on Instagram and YouTube apply wigs, but I do not want to apply them myself. And I don't want to pay nobody to install a full lace front wig because the lace just starts to lift after a while and it's just so much maintenance. Like, so in order to keep from embarrassing myself and hopefully to keep you all from embarrassing yourselves, I'm gonna show you guys this wig right here. This is FS Wigs HDL Milan. Oui, Milan in Paris. Milan is a lace part wig, so she does not have lace down the sides. You don't have to worry about your ear flap lace coming up. You don't have to worry about that. She's just a center part lace. They give you a little bit of baby hairs and you good to go. So my good sis Milan is an FS wig that's a part of the Rasta Free Braid family. She's a sister brand to Rasta Free Braid, and she is a deep natural part, y'all. You can see on the back more of the style on the model, but you can also see it on me live from YouTube in Los Angeles. And she's cute, y'all. She is cute in this color. Come on, this is color F427, and I'm loving this brown. I feel like brown is about to be my new color. So this wig is a high heat fiber, which means I can go back in and curl the ends if I need to, or if I want to bump this little bang situation we got going on, I could do that. So I'm gonna insert some clips showing you how I applied this wig. It was super easy. Literally, you just take it out of the box and you can throw it on. It's that easy. There's no lace to cut. Literally, it just comes ready. It comes ready. There is some baby hair around the lace. It was a little long for me, so I did end up trimming it, but you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. You can just kind of tuck it or brush it down with some gel. You don't need to glue the lace down at all. The only gluing I did was my own edges. I had to use Got To Be Glued on my edges just to slick them down. And I personally use Got To Be Glued just because it's a stronger hold. And I know if your hair is like mine, if it's thick, if it's very coarse and kinky, then you know you definitely want to use a stronger gel so that you make sure your edges stay laid all day. So I did use Got To Be Glued on my edges, and I just wrapped a scarf around my edges to set them in place. And then after that, I just put the wig on, and I did put a little bit of gel on the baby hairs that are on the wig, that come on the wig. And I wore that today, and I noticed that it did start to lift and the hairs were just too long. I didn't feel like cutting them this morning, so that's why I left the house like this. But as you can see now, I did cut the baby hair, and I just slicked it into my edges. So, you know, I trimmed the hair with an eyebrow, is it an eyebrow comb? Razor? Eyebrow razor, this was called. I trimmed the hair with the eyebrow razor, and then I just went in with some Got To Be Glue again and just swooped the little baby hairs in the front. And that's literally it, you guys. Like, that's it. That's the video. That's the tweet. It's over. It's a wrap. It's over for lace fronts. It's over. I'm sorry. Pack your bags and go, Miss Man. We are done with you. We're through. We're not putting in all of that extra work every morning to glue your lace down. And then you got these adult hairs trying to hide the lace. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Or if you leave out a little bit of your edges and comb it into the hair, you're gonna get an undetectable look. Now this is a little detectable. I mean, you know, if the wind blow, it depends on how strong the wind is. Now this is undetectable as far as like a little breeze. You know, you get a little something coming in like this. But if it's like this, if you walking in a hurricane, you're gonna be able to see it. So if you're concerned about strong wind and you still want your wig to be undetectable, you definitely want to leave a little bit of your edges out and just comb it and flat iron it into the unit, and then it'll be pretty much undetectable. I'm lazy. I ain't even trying to do that. Y'all lucky I slicked my edges down, okay? You're lucky I slicked my edges down because I just know if the wind blow, I don't want it to look too bad. So that's cool with me. I'm fine. It's a wig, all right? Anybody asks me, I'm gonna tell you it's a wig. So I ain't got nothing to hide. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Xo Steph Bell to see how I style this wig. Because you know, I'm about to give you some looks with this one, honey. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you are through with lace front wigs. If you don't want to ever see no lace glue again, give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and get this wig. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully I'll see you in another video. Peace and love.